we matter, and we have been given a space to show that we matter. And with that space, it's more than just a room for us. We can do so much with it. We can be more comfortable around each other. We can give a space to others who might not be comfortable with, being out or something, a space to feel safe. We can do so much with it. It's way more than just a room. It's a symbol of how far we've come as a group.
But more as a study space, someone you need to talk to one-on-one, and as we get more decorations and donations down there, it makes it a much more homey, comfortable looking type of space. I would have a lot more events down there, game nights if we need to, movie nights, just things like that.
I think we've been here for so long, but now I think we're finally being more openly accepted by the community, and it also gives us a space where we can kind of just be ourselves and feel safe and seen.
I consider myself a loner, I guess, and it's very nice to know that I have people around that understand me and don't judge me and that kind of stuff, that I can be myself around, and I don't have to worry about that, because I can't think of that many times in my life where I could think that wholeheartedly. So it really means a lot that I have these group of guys to just hang around with and shoot, just be cool with. It means a lot to me.
To anyone who's watching, I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas, happy holidays, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate.
Happy holidays from shOUT.
We're having a good old time here. We're just vibing. We're doing. Don't include any of that. This is done.
Girls, gays.